is a fake background we have behind that. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I'm Odell and I'm so grateful to have you here. So today I have two tips for you guys. The first one is how I got this background, which is a fake background, and how you can clone yourself twice, thrice, as many times as you want in one video. Interesting, right? So kindly stay tuned and bear with me as I teach you how to do this. So the main editing app we'll be using here today is CapCut. This is the only app I use to edit my videos. It's a very simple app, very easy to learn, and that is the app I'm conversant with. And you don't need green screen, no. You're not using green screen, you are just creating magic right here without green screen. Okay, so you have your video. Let's say you have your video. Make sure you have good lights, a very good source of light for your video, and then also you should shoot your video on something stable like a tripod or anything stable that you can hang your phone on so that it doesn't move. You know, I tried this once and it didn't come out as expected because I was moving a lot in the video. You see some tiny lines of my background, my original background in the video, because I was moving a lot. I couldn't do away with the fidgeting so much, so it wasn't as intense. The cutting and the process, the fake background process, wasn't as I thought. So this is the second time I'm trying this and it worked. Like, it was fantastic after trying this tip.
So you go to Google, key in Leonardo AI, click on the first blue inscription you see, then create an account with either your Apple, your Google, or your Microsoft. Enter your password and let's begin. But first, you create your username and confirm you are 18 years and above. So now you start to generate an image. But first, when you scroll down, you realize that they have stock images that you can choose from. They are very beautiful and very cute pictures that you can choose or save for other purposes. But if you're not interested, then let me show you how to create an image of your own. So scroll up and click on create new image. And when you have type a prompt, you can go ahead and describe the image that you want AI to create for you. Okay, so when you are done, click on generate. Scroll down to discover the variety of images that AI has for you. You can save this to your gallery by long tapping on the image. Select saved to gallery from the pop-up menu that appears. You can re-enter another description if you are not satisfied with the results generated.
So now we are done with the background of preference. Let's go to the CapCut editing app to know how to use the background in our videos.
So you can open your CapCut, click on new project, go to photos and select the image that you just generated. But you have to crop the image to the YouTube video standard size, that is 16:9. Then you expand the image to the size of your video. Click on overlay to add your video, then align it to the image. Scroll down to remove PG, then auto removal. Then wait until the original background is removed, else it will disrupt the whole process.
Okay, so now we are done with generating the background image of preference. So let's quickly hop on to the editing app, that is CapCut, to know how to use this background image without green screen.
So now that you are done, click on the save button on the upper right corner. Wait for our video to be exported to our gallery and then it is ready to use. I really hope this video was helpful. Leave a like to support my page and also subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.